Welcome to this episode of CapStar. In this episode, we're going to compare some speeds. We're going to compare the speed of loading a PCAP file on WireShark versus on CapStar. And then we're going to compare the speed of following TCP session on WireShark versus on CapStar. We're going to show that CapStar is a lot more faster than on WireShark, probably 10 times. So let's do that. Let's start it that. Okay, this is our WireShark application. We're going to load a big PCAP file. It's a little more than a gig. Here is it. And as you can see that it's going to take close to about 25 seconds or so. So this is the initial loading, and we will see next following TCP session would be equally slow, about 25 seconds or so. Alright, okay, it appears to be done now. Okay, 27 seconds to be precise. And we can do that follow TCP session. There are so many packets to follow. We just randomly pick one. Let's say tcp.stream equals 2. Okay, but here again there's a progress bar, and we will see that it will take about similar time compared to loading a PCAP file. So it's going to be around 25 seconds. Okay, so there are like 10 more seconds to go. Okay, so we're almost down here. 27 seconds again. So it takes 27 seconds to follow TCP session. Okay, and after that you can, if you want to look at the content, you have to do that. You click the follow TCP session stream, and it will take the same time for you to see the bytes, HTTP request, response, etc. We would not do that because we don't want to wait another 25 seconds. So let's close this, and we're going to use CapStar. So go to the PCAP tab, and then we'll pick that 1 gig file here. Okay, it's actually close to 1.1 gig. Alright, we'll click the load button here. You see that it's loading very fast. In like 2 or 3 seconds it loaded into the system. Now let's use a script called summary to give a summary of the PCAP. It will basically print a save first data packet for each session. If it's HTTP session, it will save the first HTTP request. So okay, here we are. It has gone through all the packets. There are like 2.1 million packets here, and give a summary. And let's look at this session here. This is a session that we saw earlier in the WireShark, and you all need to do is follow session. Okay, that will give you the TCP session. It's super fast. You can see it's probably less than a second. So now we see that both loading and following TCP session on big PCAP is very fast on CapStar. We're going to cover more material in the future episodes. Thank you for watching the video.